Nobody will use lapa enter this country where they not beat. Or they not sell out for road. They will sell you from this one, from here to sell you again, from here to sell you again.
I be strong, hard-working man. I be mechanic. I learn mechanic. I learn mechanic. I use artistic to do things before I left my country.
I get what they call them, waiting I build store when I for they do small work. But all through challenges, boys they break all my things.
Rob and kidnap. You understand? By the armed robber. They even want to come back again.
I can say, okay, what will happen? May I say, okay, may I just come out for the country because the country that they fight also fight. That's okay. May me come out for Nigeria. May I still go Libya? May I still go work there? Because at the hear Libya, they say Libya good. Me and they never tell me about bad Libya before.
I need to run to come Libya. To come start another different life. But when I come to Libya, I come see and say not Libya life. Now you can't even worse pass. You understand me so?
Maybe I enter Libya. Not be as I think can not be so Libya can be. But they say they pursue me up and down. They every day beating.
Even when I come to Libya, throughout the 8 months I spent in Libya, now prison is go. They will sell me to this one, sell me to this one. After I bathe. Okay, driver, carry me to my camp. They will also go send me to another different Arab man again. I will become a prisoner from there. They beating me every day. Control other money from Nigeria to Arab man. Then after I was back from there, take me to my camp. They will also carry me from that prison again, send me to another Arab man.
Not be Europe. I will go and come before. You understand so? My body drove me for say okay, make I go Libya, Europe.
Like me now, no, they don't send me for Libya, but I work free work for Libya. You know, say you go get Mudi now.
Yeah. Even when I get prison, they will carry us for prison. They will say, you, 10 of us. They will say, we want to go work for seaside. We will call later say and say, now dead body, now we want to go carry for seaside.
Both way don't
both way caside, dead body go flow. They will this seaside, we go they pack them. They pack, they come out for water. They pack, they come out for water. But for you to go back, no problem. If Arab man carry you reach seaside, you tell him say they go back. He ready to kill you there.
So.
You understand so? So now me to find myself for here. They say maybe Libya I go even better pass after the kidnapping robbery of a thief for my state. But when I come to Libya, I see say na Libya I can worse pass my brother.
Tell you, no
to go back na story. So I decide to risk my life. Either life or death.
Every day, I know the job. Kasura every day. Okay, let me run come on. Then my Mudi again for night come and say, this see one boat there. I want push you enter inside. Make you and my people that they enter so. Now they push people. Now they drop me, join and more people.
Now the same thing. Now make me enter boat.
Okay.
Based on the work where I do where they know they pay me.
There you come out. You don't enter route because of they tell you say maybe Europe.
And 4 days I even spent for desert.
I not get where 4 days.
4 days I want to spend for desert. Now 4 days I spend. I not go tell my enemies that me try that road.
See you for my own show. Waiting because the time when me just come for road, my brother. Me I not just that Libya desert so my brother. If they not be waiting person they pass 2 times, my brother. I don't feel like where water finish, where our water finish for desert. Now they I can't no say if person not drink water. If person not drink water, he die. Come Libya, say okay, me I can't relax for Libya, me I do the work. When I can see say Libya not come good. Going back, now work. Now 50-50 to go back. But that 50-50 when want to go back, your risk can.
May you take cross.
Water. I see sea very big, my brother. I hold head my
where go they see water, they see sky.
Okay, the Arabuma just carry me one night, say make I enter boat. Say where they go good. Because I come for Libya, say I can walk. Because I don't even know about Italy. Say I want to go Italy.
Exactly. Yes.
I come Italy. Me when they talk to you, so I see experience. Nobody will know the experience. You know
you follow.
So everybody has to check and say, man, okay, check and balance them because that Mauritanian sea so not be small picking, not be small picking journey.
You know vomit.
Vomit na that one na
That one na just,
that one na vomit for
You
for
can't get,
my
you
body.
can't
I
get
will
one girl. You get called they say.
I not tell anybody say I want go Europe, but I come the Libya problem. You understand? So the money where everybody they gather, you say I gather this so amount to I want enter road. Just find small thing. Not be say we want risk your life from Libya.
Libya no just this to say they safe.
You know they say
Libya
because
no dey safe.
everybody now beating every day. Everybody wey you know the story wey they hear for us say maybe they see you, maybe you wear maybe shirts from Europe, you snap picture.
Like me now.
Maybe as you post am for Facebook, they will say all these boys so they don't get money finish for Europe.
They post motor wey no be your own, house wey no be your own. All those things na still dey deceive our people for Africa. You know say na that language barrier na still dey worry many of our people for Italy here now. But people wey dey Nigeria believe say na English.
Yes.
Na everybody just dey speak.
Exactly. Yes.
You carry bicycle go inside farm go dey find work. You reach there now, you tell them look you now. Maybe they tell them please I need work. They will just dey look you because they hear you then.
Now me I reach Europe, hoping say me I will get job just now. I don't waka. Where job dey? Now okay, I not get job again. Man, people now they tell me say, bros, work not there. People I go say where not today? How not today they do? He say bros, na begging o. Me and myself we get work before annual wedding work. I can't fold, I can't shock. What I never do for my country before. They say begging. But since almost 2 years plus to 3 years now, everybody they fold down. No nothing. Now I tell lose hope. Since all this why I did, I no work, nothing. Best in brain when they hurt every day. That is why sometimes I just surface it down. I don't want to talk to anybody because I did think my life. I'm working for Nigeria before. I be weather where I did get contract.
You know, person like me now, as a painter, I dey get work. Yeah. I'll call boys, I'll call them, say I made them painter and I me go do the finishing. But I believe say that kind of work, that kind of suffer where I dey suffer for Nigeria before where I dey see that small thing. I believe say if I carry and enter Europe, I can't do the same work where I dey do for my country. I can't fit do it for Europe. I don't blow.
Yeah.
I be Ogbu. Only you dey bad. Yeah. Only you cameraman. Only you dey sing. Only you know say you can't dey do am for Europe now. The whole world don't know you. I don't know say guy no easy. That's why they see people dey quarrel with me say why me no dey go do begging. Because for my side, you know Nigeria now. Yeah. Say people wey no complete now we dey give money. No be and then they beg.
Because you get.
But yeah, now big boy now you can't wake up early in the morning dress. They call self say I just dey go work. Which work
you dey go?
Oh, for my first son don't grow, my daughter don't grow. I invest in the one hectare now. Or free say now bet my wife they come in and say okay see your first one enter school the second one enter school where the money wey na go where the work
that is why I dey advise people wey dey come wey wan find money I wan go Europe I wan go make money look everybody wey dey Europe here we not get mansion now wey we get for us now say me the mansion don full everywhere we no know tomorrow we no know how e wan be tomorrow because we don come here now we just say na here we go quick make am. Or now here we'll get rest of mind to take care of our family. But since almost 2 years plus to 3 years now, everybody they fall down. No nothing.
It's sometimes you ask a white man say amico no lavoro, that mean lavoro. You tell you say you not still get work. It's not easy for them.
Now wetin make Europe different for Africa?
Now documents.
You can enter this country. You can come for your this you can come out for this place go another place
country,
without
go look for job.
no
yes.
document.
Italy man dey tell person say go look for job for that country. So without a document you cannot go to that country to go and look for a job.
Yeah, where they here so I don't know how tomorrow wan be. I don't know how next tomorrow wan be. They will break. You say bonjour, but everybody just greet each other. Then we begin look each other face till in the evening again. And
if they say make them see anybody from pass that road, enter desert, enter Libya, pass Mediterranean Sea, nobody deserve negative. I tell you. You know how many people dey inside that water?
Dang,
you know they see dead body for desert.
Ask now, I mean they fear now. Ask not let me go because see to my doing when I dey do for Nigeria when they take rob me, kidnap me, carry comot. if I say make I go house now, me I don't know the other thing wey be say go happen to me.
You know if you even meet.
But I just dey here, no job, nothing.